Hello, 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 hello. Ah! 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 Let's go. All right, let's go, guys. We got the dog in the house. We got the markets moving. We got everything happening all at once. What is going on? So, it's me, your boy, your cousin Dustin. Like and subscribe. Let's refresh. All right. There we go. So here we go, guys. We got Nvidia up 2.29% today, sitting at 225.83. So we got Apple up 1.38%, sitting at 298.88. Micron up 4.83% to 803.19. Tesla up to 445.17, up 2.73% today. Amazon up 1.62% today. Was this the finance sector? They're looking a little red today. USB, what is that? US Bancorp down 3.19% to $52.76. Not down, none of them are down too much, but they are a little downer, a little more down than the rest of them, you know. Utilities are kind of down. According, this is the heat map, S&P 500 heat map. What's this? SPGI is down 4.15%. So, nothing too crazy going on. What's this? Palantir's down 4.37% to $130.06. You know, fun mixed bag. Most of our bigger names seem to be up. So, Broadcom's down 0.6%. No, it's down. Yeah, 0.6%. What the hell? Alright, let's move on to... No. Here. The overall markets. So, on the overall markets, I'm going to have to blow my nose. I got allergies, guys. Sorry. Sneeze, blow my nose, whatever you want to call it. Alright. Okay. Alright, here we go. The Dow Jones is at 49,693.2. It is down 0.14% today. The S&P 500 is at 70... No, let's start over. The Dow Jones is at 49,693.2. It's down 0.14% today. The S&P 500 is at 7,444.25. It's up 0.58%. The NASDAQ is at 26,402.34. It's up 1.2%. The Qs are at $714.71. They're up 1.06%. Gold is at $4,702 even. It's down 0.1%. Silver is at $88.35. It's down 1.14%. Crude oil is at $81.74. It is up 0.09% today. The VIX is down 0.67% to 1787. A little look at the regular markets there. The major indices. And we'll keep it moving. We'll go right on over here to cryptos. Check out the cryptos. Now this is on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, we've got the trending cryptos. We've got number one is Origin. What do you know about Origin? It's at $4.34 in the last hour. It is down 0.23%. In the last 24 hours, it's down 1.38%. Bitcoin is number 2 at $79,269.15. In the last hour, it is down 0.17%. In the last 24 hours, it is down 1.45%. Dogecoin. You haven't heard of Dogecoin in a while. It's number 3 trending on CoinMarketCap. It is at 0.1127 cents, so a little over 11 cents. In the last hour, it is down 0.62%. In the last 24 hours, it's up 2.55%. That's Dogecoin. Solana is at $91.09. In the last hour, it is down 0.06%. In the last 24 hours, it is down 3.4%. BNB, I don't know about that. I don't know about that one. It's number 5. It's at $671.42 in the last hour. It is down 0.04%. In the last 24 hours, it is up 1.04%. So none of these are really blowing my hair back here. I don't see anything crazy happening. Let's keep it moving. Let's click on... let's do this. Let's read an article. Let's find us a good article. Alright, here we go. Here we go. NASDAQ and S&P 500 reach new record amid inflation concerns. Dow Jones hangs under 50K. Dow Jones isn't even over 50K, dude. Sacrifices need to be made. Come on now. Alright, quick overview. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ reached new all-time highs despite stronger than expected producer inflation data. Treasury yields increased as traders adjusted their expectations for future Federal Reserve policy. The Dow Jones Industrial Average underperformed, closing lower and failing to reach the 50,000 milestone. Notable winners included Nebius, NV, and Ford Motor, while Apple and Chewy were among the biggest losers. Okay. Despite hotter-than-expected producer inflation figures and rising treasury yields, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ reached new all-time highs. Stocks continued climbing despite inflation surprise. U.S. equities remained resilient following the release of stronger-than-expected producer price index data, which reignited concerns about persistent inflation pressures. Gosh. Despite the inflation surprise, buyers continued pushing major technology-focused indices higher throughout the session. Treasury yields also moved upward as traders adjusted expectations for future Federal Reserve policy. The 10-year Treasury yield traded near 4.47, while the 30-year yield climbed back above the important 5% level to 5.04%. NASDAQ and S&P 500 reached new highs. The broader market showed continued momentum, with both the NASDAQ and S&P 500 closing at fresh all-time highs. That yield climbing like that, y'all know what that means. It's time for, I think it's time for Donald Trump to do something that will cool the tensions. This whole China meeting, maybe that'll be a bullish catalyst. We'll see. Allergies are killing me, guys. Sorry. The NASDAQ Composite finished the session at 26,402.34, surpassing its previous record closing highs from May 11th at 26,274.13. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 ended at 7,444.26, breaking above its earlier record close of 7,412.85. Got a little chart here, if you guys are watching. Chart there. The strong performance reflected ongoing investor appetite for large cap growth and technology shares, despite rising yields. Dow Jones and small caps lag behind. In contrast, the Dow Jones Industrial Average underperformed and closed lower on the day. The index reached an intraday high of 49,752.97, but remained below the major 50,000 milestone and well under its record closing high from May 10th. The Russell 2000 also lagged broader market strength, ending the session close to unchanged. The final numbers for the indices are showing the Dow down 68.01 points, or 0.14%, at 49,697.96. This is just the numbers. I'm not reading all that.